How's it going, guys? It's Rasmus Olsen Fan 2006, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make the second generation Undecorated EMD SD40-2 diesel locomotive. Now this is from ATSF Santa Fe Railway. First nose is the Snoot nose and the second is the regular nose. It had their EMD 16-cylinder 645 E3, 3,000 horsepower and 2,220 kilowatts inside of the locomotive. It's 33 blocks long, 7 blocks wide, and 8 blocks tall, and it had their Leslie RS3L on top in the front of the cab. And it was made by me, CraftyFoxe and CraftyFoxeMC, but anyways. I hope you guys enjoy this build and let's get started. Just watch full video down in the description and come back when you're finished. That's actually pretty much it on how to make the second generation Undecorated EMD SD40-2. In Minecraft, I hope you guys enjoy this build. If you guys do, make sure you guys hit that like button down below, comment down below what you guys think of the build, and subscribe if you guys had already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Today's my 20th birthday, so happy birthday to me. Credit goes to CraftyFoxe and CraftyFoxeMC.